Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 8. Today we will present our material. This is a driver control motor DC and DC motor. First, we will introduce our name. My name is Mahdi Amaru.
My name is Axceel Arkindo.
My name is Rahmat Hidayat.
I will explain about definition DC motor. DC motor defined as class of electric motor that convert energy electricity current in the same direction become energy mechanic.
Parts in motor DC. There are two parts main on DC motor. There is stator and rotor. Stator. Stator is motor parts that do not rotating. Static part that consists from yoke. Yoke or frame is protector both stator and rotors. Poles. The poles on the stator used for produce intermagnetic poles, something order special, for ensure the rotor can spinning. Field winding. Field winding made from cable copper wrapped around the pole shoes. Field winding used for produce static magnetic field on the stator. Rotors. Rotor is rotating part. This rotor part consists from coil anchor to part main. This can shed again become number or component. Important that is among them is armature winding. Armature winding is used for produce static magnetic field on rotors. We install armature winding in the slot the armature core. Communicator. Communicator is transferring component energy current to winding anchor. Brushes. Component is located inside commutator. Pen brush is component electromagnetic made from graphite or carbon. Function main brush is from stream current to the rotors. This is the picture of the part.
Types DC motor. Number 1, separately action DC motor. On source DC motor power separate. Source current electricity for separate file. Winding switch source current electric for the armature coil in the rotor. Number 2, cell excited DC motor. On source DC motor power is cell. Coil fail connection in a manner series, parallel or combination series parallel with coil hunt. Number 3, series DC motor. Types DC motor series in a DC motor with coil the train connected in a manner series with coil hunter. Number 4, sun DC motor. A DC sun motor is a DC motor that is a coil the train connection in a manner parallel with coil hunted. Number 5, compound DC motors. Types DC motor combinates or compound DC motor is a combination of some types DC motors and DC motor types series.
Advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of a DC motor is compared with an AC motor. 1, torque and the speed easy controlled. 2, initial torque big. 3, the perform close to linear. 4, system control relative more cheap and simple. 5, suitable for servo motor application because responsive, good dynamic. For application 6, for application and power low, the DC motor is more cheap from an AC motor. Disadvantage: 1, need extra care. 2, more big and more expensive if compared to with AC induction motor. 3, no suitable for application speed tall. 4, not suitable for application in power big. 5. Not suitable used on condition fast environment dusty.
And then I will explain definisi DC motor control driver. Definition refers arrange network of the transistor is for driving DC motor.
Part of driver control motor DC. Vehicle DC motor control driver consists from number of parts, including power supply, the section that provide the required voltage for operate DC motor. Input control. Part this accept signal from the microcontroller, sensor, or the other device. Signal conditioning. This part process signal enter to match with motor control driver requirements. Output stage. This part produce signal output. This control the DC motor. Protection security. This part is responsible answer from protect the motor and driver control from damage. This is the example of driver control motor DC.
Okay, types DC motor control driver. Number 1, brake control driver. Types in which for controlling DC motor, which direction, front, forks, and back up. Number 2, brake control driver. Types in this for controlling DC motor, which direction, for round, approach, just. Number 3, control driver. Types this manipulates cycle word carrying signal for arrange speed and direction motor action.
Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: 1. Allow use of DC motor with speed and direction possible run arrange in accordance need. 2. Code increase efficient use energy and extend period use DC motor with proper control. 3. Improve performance and accuracy application using DC motors. 4. Easy controlled and designed for use in various application. Disadvantage: 1. Cost production of expensive DC motor control driver. 2. Require college deep technical for prepare and design it DC motor control driver. 3. Require device addition like sensor and microcontroller for optimizing control of DC motor. 4. AC control motor driver can produce hot and annoying noise. That's all from our presentation.
And thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.